YouTube. What's up, people? So, you guys will never believe it. So, earlier this week, right, while I was working, I had a load of alcohol shipping to a Pacific customer, and I got down to the last bit and found out that this box of, I believe, it was like strawberry mixer syrup, anyways, had leaked out my whole van. So this whole video, I'm gonna be explaining on, if you have accidents in your van, how to keep up with, the look and appearance of your van. So as you can see right here, I had to take the mat out and power wash it a bit. I used some solution to get it. It's like an alcohol based solution just to like size it and clean it. So as you guys can see here, spraying that thing down, cleaning it up a bit. Yeah. But yeah, so I was working and like I said, got down to the last bit and seen that I was like, what's all this syrup? What's all this sticky stuff that's down in my van, all through the channel of my van? And I'm like, man. So I dipped my finger in it a bit, and it's like I don't smell anything, it don't like nothing. So I'm like, I don't know what it is. So I was scared for a minute, and then I started sorting through my boxes and stuff, and I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I was like, man, what it is? But let me see if I could taste it and see what it tastes like. And lo and behold, tasted it straight like strawberry. So, yep, that's what it was. It got all through my van, y'all. As y'all can see, it got all in the steps. Yeah, got all in between the channel of the van, the weatherproof strip, all of that. The whole van was just sticky. So yeah, I took the power washer, cleaned it up a bit. Got on my doors, y'all. It got all on the panel of my doors, y'all. It was a catastrophe. But yeah. And then I believe it's in the next clip. I just took some, like I said, some alcohol solution and used that to clean like underneath where the mat. I think I show that in the next clip. But yeah, took that with the towel and hand cleaned that. Y'all can see it's cold here in Texas. It's super cold. That's like literal ice. Yeah, from the day before, that's ice. Weather is bad here. Man, that's another thing too. Getting out in the cold and cleaning out, just being out in general is so. Having to work with water too, man. So I at least had to get that up before it got, too cold, and then it froze in my van, and that would have been a whole nother story. But yeah, picking up more ice. Yeah, I was explaining something right here. I don't remember what I was talking about. Yeah. But yeah, so I was doing that. And then, ooh, look at that. Look at that thing. That thing clean. Yeah. Yeah. I actually had the kids come and spot dry it with their towels. I told them to get in there and you know, just tap spot dry it and see what they could do. So they actually did. My kids, they did well. So right here, I had just cleaned it with my hands and just running the towel through with my foot, really just drying the bed of the cargo area. Yeah, getting it right. Getting that thing right. You can see your face in the reflection. Uh-oh, about slipped. I about lost my foot in there. Yeah, going above and beyond. Going above and beyond. You know what I'm saying? Cleanliness is closest to godliness. So I feel like your cargo van is your workspace, is your work area. So in order to have a successful business, you need to keep a clean work area. So I always keep that rule of thumb and try to, clean up where I can. Yeah, getting that right. Hey, did a good job. If I don't say, it looks nice. All right, so Taylor had to help me out a bit and took 4 hands for this one. She was in the front and then I was in the back, and we put that rug back in there. That thing nice and clean. Also, too, I was back and forth between the cargo and the front, and I got syrup all passenger seat too. Man, like I said, it was just a catastrophe. Crazy. Syrup where literally. Yeah, it's all good though. We got it good. We got it cleaned up, and it just looks nice. So, you guys, I thank you guys again for tuning in to the video, and I'll check you guys out on the next one. You guys be sure to have a blessed day. Down below are links to my books, so you can check on my website at creativefaithplus.com/store, or check it out at Amazon. It's called Buy Back Your Freedom, a cargo rent. Thank you guys again. Love you all. Good night.